Well, we are in Salmon Arm. Look how beautiful it is. It's you can see the snow. This is like a little town that they build. They have a farmers market, and they have chainsaw. They have a lot of chainsaw work. We're going to see how it works, how it is. Look, here is oh, looks like a hillbilly, huh? Look how nice. See how nice is the Mills Farm Market. Look at the guy there. Isn't that nice? Hello. It says it's open. It's beautiful, huh? Look at that. Wow. Everybody, there's a lady working here. Oh, you guys should smell this. The sawdust. It smells so nice. It's fresh pine. Oh, it smells great. They have little bird houses here. Look, a grave danger, we don't call 911. Grave danger, we don't call 911. That's nice. Wow, little bird houses, look. So beautiful. This is $120. It has a price there. And there's oh, this is my favorite one, $200 with a rooster. I have one like that. So pretty. It's a chicken coop. Chicken coop birdhouse. That says Corona. Is that Corona beer or coronavirus? Hopefully it's the beer. Oh, hi little donkey. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at the chicken coop. So beautiful. And this is a barn. $150. It has a shovel and a rake and everything. Look at that. So pretty. Another rooster. And here is Canuck the crow. Oh, beautiful crow. Friends are like stars. Don't always see them, but you know they are there. Oh, so nice. Let me go around. This is on the highway. We are in Salmon Arm, like you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, look, there's a cross here. Beautiful cross. Huh. It says chainsaw carvings. This is so nice. Very nice. Oh, wow. Look how colorful. They're holding it actually with the teeth, huh? Yeah, see, there's a bench. Oh, so nice. And I wish you guys can smell it. So nice. This sawdust. So refreshing. A unicorn. Who says they don't exist? Of course, here in Salmon Arm. Beautiful. Is this from... Look at that. It looks like from The Simpsons, huh? Oh, so nice. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. So pretty. Oh, this is so nice with the wings. Look at that. She's so beautiful. And then the skull here. Says Van Halen. Oh my gosh, look at that. I like that. And then another crow. And this is the what's Bigfoot. Yeah, it's Bigfoot. And then the other crow. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so nice also. This is driftwood actually. And they made it into art. I guess you can hang stuff on it. It's beautiful. That will be beautiful for orchids. In Belize, I had like this with orchids. Of course, we never bought it. It was from the bushes. $65. Beautiful. So, hello. Let me see. Okay, you can't turn it again anymore. So, I hope you guys can see me here. I am not used to using this filming with the phone, not the iPhone, sorry, with the phone. But I have my GoPro in the bag, but I am too lazy to take it out, and because we need the computer to start to edit and all that. So with the phone is easier. You can do it while I can do it while Douglas is driving. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Look at that. So pretty, the mountain. Beautiful, beautiful place. We will go and stop at another place in a little more ahead. It's a fruit stand, but I don't know if they have fruits right now because, like you can see, we're just starting from the bad weather. Yeah, so this is so nice. Okay, guys, so I leave you here, and in this beautiful little town. It's called Salmon Arm. It's beautiful. All the carvings and the smell is beautiful. It's so nice. Yeah, it smells very good, like pine from the sawdust. It's really, really, really nice. Okay, friends, see you. And please like and comment on my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye. Leave you with this boot. This is woman bathroom, see? A pink cowgirl boot. And then for the men, they have this other boot. Beautiful. Bye bye.